Factory replacement.
Junk headliner out of the way. Couldn't get another headliner, guys, so I mean they tried to repair it, but you know me, I'm picky as shit and it just didn't work, so. Alright, let's go get some super glue, guys. Super glue, zip kicker. That's how we're gonna attach this shit.
Scraping it off.
Scraping off all the old shit. Looks pretty good. Just a steel brush he's using, guys. Wired brush. So we're gonna wrap this in gray suede. It's been decided. We're not fucking around anymore. I gotta stop swearing. I mean, you guys don't like my swearing. Well, some people don't. I guess they get offended by my swearing, but welcome to 2015. Okay. And then we'll flip it over after and just put a good drizzling on the back.
Yeah. That's what she said.
You tell me when. When?
Yeah, go ahead. It's good. Let's get a little bit here for a minute.
Wow. That worked out golden.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow. Pretty impressed with that.
Yeah.
Worked out pretty alright.
I'll be here all week.
Yeah. I'll be here all week. Alright. Alright, let's flip this bitch over. I'll get something to set that on. Hang on. We're just gonna hold it? Okay. Not being scared, he's just doing what he's got to do with the glue. Saturating it nicely. We're going to put some zip kicker on this in any second here. Just watch your hand. Sets it. Slip back over. Put some on this side or no? A little bit? Like flatline it?
Yeah, maybe a little bit. Plus she's not finger.
Ooh, it's burning.
Chemical reaction.
That stuff cannot be good to inhale. Not sure if you guys can see it or not, but it's like totally smoking. Just because of the chemical reaction of the glue and this stuff. Woo! You guys see that there? Do you guys see it smoking? Probably not. But anyway, that's how you repair a headliner that's been decked by a sandblaster. I'm not sure if you guys will ever find this video very useful to you or not, but if you guys find yourself having to repair your headliner, this is how you do it. You buy a junk one from the junkyard, from a Jetta, and put it on a Golf headliner, because this is impossible to find. Impossible. So now we're going to wrap it in gray suede, and that'll be that. Got one from CarPhonix along with my beautiful employee Damien, and that's it. Man, that asphyxiated me. Ooh, I'm asphyxiated.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Get in on it.